Hello everyone and welcome. Today I will show you a cross-platform email client that I found and I like it a lot. It works on Mac, Windows and Linux. Currently I'm using it on Linux, but it will work on whatever you use. So let's get started. It's called MailSpring. Here is the domain. I will leave a link on the description too. They have a free version and a paid version. Personally, I use the free version and I find it more than enough for what I need. They offer different themes. I use the light one. It's based on Niles Mail. Okay, so now let's see the pro features. It's for $8 per month. Personally, I find the free one good enough for me and I don't intend to upgrade in the near future. But they have some very good pro features too. For example, follow up, or you can see if someone read your email. Okay, so now let's take a look. I don't have all my emails in this yet, but I'm planning on adding them. So a feature that I like a lot is if you go to your inbox and you have connected multiple accounts, you will see a unified inbox of all your emails, so you don't have to go to each one separately. You can snooze emails, you can archive them, you can even delete them, you can filter by unread, start, you have reminders, snooze emails and so on. You can also tag emails, and if you want to check a different account for every of these things, you can do that too. Just click this little button and click the account that you want to check. So here's how the preview panel looks. I like it this way, but I think you can disable the preview panel and it will open it on a new window. Here you have more options. This is how send email look like. Okay, so now let's see some settings. To get this menu, just hit Alt. You even have a calendar, but I don't use that, so I won't talk about it. So here are the preferences. Here you can upgrade appearance if you want to disable the preview panel. Now I'm going to change the theme, so this is the dark theme. You have a list of shortcuts. Here you can select the shortcuts from another email client. I have them as the shortcuts from Gmail. You can also add custom shortcuts, or you can change this. Here you can create rules to mark emails as read, add labels, archive them, store them. You can also have custom folders. I don't use that. You can have a signature, so you don't have to write it every time. And you can have templates, because a lot of times you'll have to write the same message over and over again, and using templates will save you a lot of time. To use templates, just go to send emails and click this button, quick replies. Also you have send later or snooze. You can even translate emails. That's about it for today. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like. Have a great day. Bye bye.